Hi, my name is Nate Okpych, and I'm signing in from the United States. And I'm currently an assistant professor at the School of Social Work at the University of Connecticut. And my focus of my research is on factors that promote college access and college persistence for young people with foster care experience. So I look at factors at the youth level, at the program level, and also policies that could improve college outcomes for youth with care histories. At the youth level, I look at a wide range of factors, but I'm particularly interested in the relationships that youth form with other people, the role of trauma that can disrupt these relationships, but also the benefits that youth get from relationships in terms of different types of social capital that come through that flow through those networks. At the program level, I've been particularly interested in campus support programs for foster youth, which are programs that are located on college campuses and that are specifically designed for young people with care histories that provide an array of services. And currently in the US, there are well over 200 colleges that have programs like this. The policy level, I've been involved with evaluating the role that extended foster care has on college entry and college persistence for youth with foster care histories. Currently in the US, about 30 states have laws that allow youth to stay in foster care up until age 21, and in some states even longer than that. And I'm also interested in policy that gives youth basically a special grant up to $5,000 a year that can go towards college expenses. See if youth who receive that funding, if their college outcomes are improved through that grant. In terms of methods, I'm primarily a quantitative researcher, so I run a lot of regression analyses, and I also do some additional kind of more sophisticated analyses that get at causal inference. So especially when we're looking at the impact of trying to assess the impact of a program on a college outcome, we use some of those more advanced methods. I've also recently got into social network analysis. I'm still relatively new in learning, but it's just a fascinating type of methodology that allows you to really dig deep into the specific connections that youth have with a lot of different people that they turn to for different types of supports. And I've also started to get involved in some mixed method studies where we've interviewed young people to really hear about their firsthand experiences about being in campus support programs or transitioning to college and things like that. I love mixed methods studies. I think it's able to it harnesses the strengths of both quantitative research and the richness and the depth of more qualitative focused interviews, focused methods. So in terms of projects that I'm on right now, I am the project director for the Cal Youth Study, which has been ongoing for about 8 years. The principal investigator is Mark Courtney, and the main objective of that study is to evaluate California's extended foster care law on a wide range of youth outcomes. I'm also involved in a small study of a campus support program at one U.S. college, where we've collected some social network data using a new tool that a colleague and I developed. And we've also conducted interviews with young people about their experience transitioning to college. I'm also involved in analysis of national data that is evaluating different programs and policies, how they affect youth's connection to employment and also to higher education. And then finally, I'm involved with a few other small studies that are going to be interviewing young people in campus support programs, primarily in college. All right, that is my research in a nutshell.